Hello gang, hello friends, welcome back. It's new Madam Glam collection day, yay! We have another box, special box, limited edition, darling, box of Madam Glam gel polishes. This is the I Am Abundant collection. Am I abundant? Don't know. This says, oh, look at this. Look. How nice do these look? This says, would you like to know what it says? Okay. This says, abundance begins with a mindset. And this is your daily reminder of everything you already are and everything you are becoming. It's a moment to honour yourself and carry your glow with you as a new month begins. Wonderful. So these are them. Look how pretty. Hang on. Look, hang on. Right. Look how, stop it now. Pretty. So we're going to have a look at them. We'll have a nice close-up look at them. Then we'll swatch them so you can see if you want to buy them. Let's find out. Don't know why I put the box away. I need them to take them out, don't I? Wally. Okay, first up we have Airy Cloud. Airy Cloud. Oh, pretty. Oh, that's very cloud colour, isn't it? It's not white, it's not grey. It's somewhere in between. It's a very calm colour. Very calm. Airy Cloud. Then we have Soft Ground, which looks lovely. Oh, that's nice. A nice kind of, what colour was this? Is it a mauve? No, mauve's darker. What's going on here? Stop it. That's really pretty. Like a pinky, nudie, warm. I think, is this the autumn collection? So this is like the beginning of autumn, not autumn, August, sorry. August. More earthy tones. This is earth energy. Oh, I need some earth energy. This I'm going to love. Oh, yes. Is it me? Or is everyone my age really into this green right now? Or is it that everyone at my age suddenly starts to get an interest in plants? You know? That's so nice. Oh, I would wear that. Very calming. Then we have Pink Reset. Beautiful. That's beautiful. You can tell they're super opaque just looking at them, as opposed to, telling they're opaque by smelling them or something. That's really pretty. Oh, I think Mumsy would like that. Then we have Blue Aura. I'm going to love this. I love it. I love a powder blue. Yes. Oh, these are all going to look so nice together. Will you stop, Joseph? Come on, you've done this before. That's really nice. Really calm, isn't it? I need calm. Breath mint. Hopefully I don't need a breath mint. This looks nice as well. A nice minty. Oh, that's nice. Bit Tiffany, isn't it? That's really pretty. Yes. Then we have Zen Wave. Oh, I could do with a wave of Zen. This is nice. Oh, nice. That's like it's if navy was muted, like a calm, a pale navy. That's really pretty. Then we have Spice Clam. Spice Calm. Little spicy clam. Nice. Oh, it's like terracotta. Well, a bit more orange than terracotta. Rusty. What's the word I'm looking for? Like a sienna? Is sienna a colour? If so, is it this? Maybe? It's like cinnamon colour. That's really pretty. These are all go nicely together. They're very good at that. So let's swatcheroo, shall we? Airy Cloud. Nice. This is a very calm collection. I like that, but still colourful, you know. Pretty. Oh, that is a nice grey. I used to wear grey like that all the time when I had really long nails. I'd have a grey because I'm so jolly. And then we have soft ground. Is the ground? Oh yeah, it's softer when it's hotter, isn't it? And harder when it's colder. Okay. Idiot. The ground must be really soft at the moment because it's bloody boiling. Ugh. So hot. Right, you're done. You're done. Put it in the lamp. That's nice. Oh, I love this. Oh, that's the colour I want. I want to redo my bedroom. It's not long been redone. But I want sort of... I took a picture of my bedroom and then put it in Gemini and said, make this kind of earthy with some green and some something or another. And it spit out a picture. And it's got some green stuff on it. It looks really nice. I want some green, just grounding, you know, calm grounding stuff. I want to, as an anxiety person / panic attacks, I had like a pretty crappy moment today, whereas, you know, that moment where you think, well, you're feeling anxious and you then start to feel more anxious because you're like, any second now this could turn into a panic attack and I just can't deal. Oh, it's a mess. Had one of those moments, managed to stop it from going to a panic attack. But yeah, I think I'm just suddenly into, not suddenly, but really into things that will, you know, make me feel calm and quiet and safe. Right, let's push this. This is Blue Aura. This is gorge. Why do I keep saying gorge recently? It's horrible. Stop it, woman. That is beautiful, isn't it? Real calm baby blue. Breath mint. Oh, that's nice as well. Sorry if I sound a bit meh. This will probably be out after a different video, so you probably already know that my grandma passed away, and yeah, it's fucking horrible. It's weird when something that's been around your whole life is not there. I know, I can't talk about it. I can't. I'm trying to stop myself thinking about it, because if I overthink it, well, not overthink it, but just think about it too much, it's I feel like I'm just going to start crying and never stop until the day I die. That was Zen Wave, by the way. And then we have Spice Calm. I like this colour as well. This goes nice with greens, doesn't it? This colour, you know, like a nice sort of creamy room, warm creamy room with green and this colour accents. That's nice. Okay, yeah. Look how pretty. How calming is this collection? So calming. These two look lovely together. Shall we do a Miss Jo's combos? Let's have a quick look at them first. Little ogle. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so this is going to go with anything. Yeah. Oh, clouds on blue sky. Yeah. As expected. This looks nice with this. I wonder if it looks nice with that. It looks quite nice with that, doesn't it? This looks nice with all of them. quite dark. Maybe not that one. Then the green. Oh, with the pink, yes, love it. With the blue, love it. With the other green, maybe a bit of a clash. With that, maybe. With that, yes. Oh, I wonder what that and that. Look at those together. Or these together. That's nice. The pink. Are we on the pink? So we know which one it goes with on this side. Am I even in shot? This is a nice combo, isn't it? What about this one? I know, same. Pink looks nice with all of them. Oh, it looks nice with that. And that. Maybe not that. Bit of a clasheroo. They look nice together. They look nice together. And they look kind of cute together. And then have we done those two? And then that we've seen with all of those. And that we've seen with all of those. Oh, I like these. I think that's a nice combo. That's a lovely combo, isn't it? So pretty. What do you see when you see this collection? Let me know in the comments because I need some ideas because my brain not feeling very creative at the moment, just feeling sad mostly. But yeah, let me know what you think of when you see this. What would you like to see me do with them? It doesn't have to be all of them. It's not always easy to make a set that uses every colour from a collection. But definitely a bunch of those go together. So please give me some ideas in the comments because I don't have any of my own. I'll have to just look online and maybe recreate something. There's plenty of awesome nail techs out there and nail artists that give us all inspiration, aren't there? So helpful when you don't know what to do. And then you see, especially when you see a set and you love it so much that you really want to make it. I love that. But always credit your tech you've seen. You know, no one's going to think any less of you if you didn't come up with the idea. What am I talking about now? I don't know. I need some ideas. So let me know. Thank you so much for being here with me. These all need to get put in their homes. And every time I do that, I'm like, right, next time at the end of a collection, I'll just put it in its rightful place. But then I think, no, I'll leave it out until I filmed with it. So I can get them and go, right, we'll use this. Look at these. Oh. Oh, amazing. Power pink. And then it just all adds up. So I need to have a bit of a sort out, don't I? We'll do that soon. Maybe I'll do it on a live, maybe. Is that a boring live though? I've got some things I need to do for a friend that aren't nail related, but I might just go live while doing it. Sorry, I've got the hiccups. While doing them. Just to say hello to you all at some point. Anywho, thank you for being here. Oh my word, you can get 30% off these. Why have I not said? I'll put it on screen earlier. I just forgot. 30%. It's basically free, okay? It's not, let's be clear. But it's still a lot off, so you can use the link in the description and the code MissJo30. I'll list what they are again in the description. And they came in this nice box. And we have another box that one of these collections came in. Or do we have two more? I don't know, but I have a ever-growing collection of Madam Glam boxes. Thank you. Appreciate you. Like, hype, comment, subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.